Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittney Bundles, and today's video is going to be an unboxing video. I'm going to be unboxing items that I purchased from Shein. Now, I did place another order on Cyber Monday, and that order hasn't come in yet, so I am probably going to include the items that I got in that order in one of my vlog videos. So make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. Make sure your post notifications are on. That way, when I upload a video, you'll be able to tune in, or I may go ahead and do a separate video unboxing those items. So I'm not sure, but stay tuned. That way that you don't miss either one, whether it's a vlog or another unboxing video dedicated just to what I ordered from Shein. If you are interested in this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Please make sure that you are subscribed, and let's get right into the video. So I placed an order with Shein, and this is the bag that the order came in. Shipping didn't take too long. I honestly can't remember how many days it took though. This is not the first time that I've ordered from Shein. Normally when I place an order, it can take about, I wanna say like 5 days to a week before I receive my order, but there's other people that I know that order from Shein as well, and they say that sometimes it takes them a day, sometimes 3 days. So I think it kind of all depends. I did place my order right before Black Friday, and then I placed another order on Cyber Monday. So I haven't gotten the order from Cyber Monday yet, like I mentioned, but I did get all of my things from pre-Black Friday. So let me go ahead and open this package and show you all what I got. I got some things for my baby. So the first thing that I have, it says Shein Kids. And I ordered some of the things in a bigger size because I wanted her to be able to grow into the outfits. But I thought this was super cute. This is a sweater, and the back has a zipper on it. I love that little detail right there. So it zips down in the back. And I'm trying to remember what size I got. Does it show me? Yeah, I got this in a 6 to 9 months. Now, I've ordered from Shein before, like I mentioned, and their quality is really, really good. So I've washed like their outfits, and it doesn't come loose in the washer. You know, my baby, she's young, so she's not like playing in the outfits or anything like that. So for what I'm using it for, just, you know, putting her on nice outfits and clothes, it works. And the quality is efficient for that. So I can't really give you a review on how it holds up, you know, as far as play wise, but 6 to 9 months and below, I have ordered, you know, items from them. And like I said, the quality is just fine to me. So this is the sweater top, and then it also comes with the bottoms. This is a little skirt. So I thought this was so adorable with like some black stockings and some boots or something like that. So cute. So that is the first outfit that I got from Shein. Okay, so the second one that I got, again, Shein Kids. And speaking on stockings, let me show you the stockings really quick. I ordered some stockings from them too. It's really hard to find stockings in the stores. I haven't been able to find any in her size, but I believe these stockings were like 6 to 9 months as well. And this is what they look like. I really like the little bow and the details. So those are really, really pretty. Okay, so put the stockings back. All right, so let's moving on to the next package. Shein Kids, and this one is like a cookie and milk outfit. I thought it was really cute. The size that I got this in is, it says 68, but I forgot what size it was in US sizes. I think it's 6 to 9 months as well, but this is what it looks like. And now that I'm looking at it, I may use these as pajamas. I don't know if they were supposed to be pajamas or an outfit. I guess they could be both, but they're giving me pajama vibes. And this is the onesie. So cute. Now this definitely could be an outfit. I could put this on her with like some white forces. So that's that outfit. All right, the next one that I got and in my experience, I do think the clothes from Shein run a little bit bigger. But that's just what I think. This is 68, which I believe is like a 69-month size shirt as well. And it says stop and smell the roses. And then it also comes with these cute shorts with roses on them. How cute is that? How cute is that? I love the details that this site has with the rips or the distressed part of the shorts, and it's just super cute. Trying to keep everything together. All right, moving right along. The next outfit that I got from Shein Kids looks like this. This is really big, so I may have to send this back. I may. This is 6 to 9 months. See what I mean about the sizes run a little big to me? Is it just me? But I think this can like fit a 2T. So I may not be able to, may just have to save this or give it to someone that can fit it. Because I don't know if 6 to 9 months will be able to fit this. What do you all think? Let me know in the comments down below. And then here are the pants that go along with it. I'm trying to look like, do these look a little big? Let me know. Because sometimes clothes will look big, but then when I try them on her, they're not. So I don't know. I don't know. Maybe it's just me, but they look a little big. But still super cute nonetheless. So this black shirt goes under this. And then she'll have these pants. I was thinking like, okay, like a Barnes & Noble's day. You know, my grandmother used to take me to Barnes & Noble's when I was really young. Older than 6 to 9 months because I remember it. And we would go and get tea. Well, I don't know what she would drink. She'd probably get coffee, but she would get me tea and she would buy some books and I would get some books and we would sit down in the little nook portion of Barnes & Noble's and just talk and relax, and I really enjoyed those outings. And so now that I have a daughter, I'm super excited to share some of those moments with her and do some of those same kind of traditions that my grandmother and my mom did with me. Okay, here's the next outfit that I got from Shein Kids. And this one is 6 to 9 months as well. It says Los Angeles baby girl. I really like the collar on this shirt. I really did. I really do. But that's one of the reasons that I ordered it, because of the collar. I love their details. It has like a little button, which I thought was just a cute detail. And then it comes with these shorts. So really pretty, really cute. Let me know what you all think about these outfits. Rate them too. Let me know which one is your favorite. Rate me, like, do like the top 3. What are your top 3 outfits? Like, just describe them. You can either put the number down in the order I'm going in, or just like describe which ones you like the best. And I may do a try on haul as well if you all want to see that. My baby just turned 3 months, so I'll have to wait for a couple months, but you know, these months are flying past. So if you want to see that, let me know in the comments. And I bought her some more things too today from Macy's that are at her size, I believe. Or did I get them a little bit bigger? I can't remember, but if they're her size, then I may do a try on haul for some of the new items that she got too. This is the next thing that I got. This is, I got her an army fatigue jumpsuit. And I like the material. Get a little closer so you can see the material. It's really stretchy and it just looks really, really cute. And it comes with the white shirt that goes under it. So I can't wait for her to wear this either. And this is, again, 6 to 9 months. I wanted to show you all the pocket. Like I said, they have like really cute details with her clothes. So it has a pocket right there, as you can see. That's the back. And then it has like the little buttons right there. And then you can change the length of the straps if you want to by just moving it up a little bit. Oh, I really like that one. That's one of my favorites. Let me know if this is one of your favorites too. I thought that was so cute. Well, I think it is cute, but I thought it was cute, like I said before when I ordered it, but now seeing it in person, it's still really cute. All right, the next thing that I got is this. So here's the skirt. Isn't this skirt so adorable? Look at that bow and the buttons. It's like a corduroy material and comes with a black shirt. This is something just simple I can throw on for like church or just an outing, but I was really thinking church. So I was like, do I want it? Because they have a section on Shein where I think it's called Mommy and Baby, where you can get things to kind of match what you ordered in the kids section. And I'm like, do I want to be that mom that's always matching with her daughter? Is she gonna like that? I mean, right now she doesn't really have a choice, and I don't think she cares because she's a baby, but I'm like, how would she feel? How would I feel if my mom matched with me when I was like in elementary? I don't know. Okay, moving along. Here's the next outfit that I got. Okay, so this outfit says Mama's Girl because she is 6 to 9 months again. I think I got everything 6 to 9 months. I could have swore that I got something that could fit her that was 3 months, but maybe not. Okay, so this is the material with this. And then it goes with this skirt. Again, look at the detail. This matches the shirt. Oh, cute. Can you all tell that she's my first girl? Just how excited I am. She's my first girl, and when I saw this website, I fell in love with it. I'm like, are you serious? Okay, moving along. The next one that I got looks like this, and it's 6 to 9 months again. It says, Mommy is my bestie. And I'm gonna just enjoy her wearing these things while she's not going to complain about them. I'm not saying that she will complain when she gets older, but again, I don't know how she's going to feel if I want to dress like her. Like, I can just imagine myself taking her into school and then me having a shirt that has like a little finger that says, she's my bestie, and she has another shirt that says, no, she's my bestie. My daughter's my bestie. My mom's my bestie. And then her being like, oh, I do not want to wear that. I don't know. It's like funny scenes sometimes pop in my mind. But right now, she's a baby, so it'll be fine. It has the nice collar that I like. It has the button in the back. And then it's a white skirt that comes with it. So I thought that was cute. Didn't really have an event or a place in mind to wear this, but it was just really cute. So I decided to get it. Why not? And everything on the Shein website is reasonably priced. Like, I don't think any of the outfits cost more than $20. I don't have the prices memorized, to be honest, but like I said, I ordered from the pre-Black Friday sale, so I got a deal anyways. But yeah, they're really reasonable. And then I ordered some things, like I said, that should be coming any day now. And then I'll probably I may do another unboxing video. It's just not as much. I don't think I ordered as much with this order, but I did order my stuff. So this is my first time ordering from Shein for myself. So I'll be doing, an update, letting you all know how I feel about that and if I liked what I got or not. This is 6 to 9 months too. Really love the color. And then it comes with a cute skirt. Why'd I do my face like that? I don't know. That's how these clothes make me feel, like super cute. No, they are really cute. You can't tell me these aren't cute. I didn't think that I ordered 2 stockings, but I guess I did. This package says baby socks. So, okay, so these ones I believe fit her now. So she has a few dresses that I want to, you know, put her socks on with. And it doesn't show me the size on here, but I'm pretty sure it just says baby socks. But I'm pretty sure that they are 0 to 3 months, just looking at the size. So that's it for what I got from Shein. Let me know in the comments again, what are your 3 most favorite outfits that I unboxed? Let me know what you think about what I picked out. Do you think they're cute? What are your thoughts? Have you ordered from Shein? What has been your experience? Just leave all of that information down below. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them below. I'll do my best to answer them. Or if someone's watching the video and they have the answer, you know, I'm sure they'll go ahead and chime in. But I do want to thank you all for watching. If you have any questions, again, leave them down below. Make sure that you are subscribed, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.